We're in our final week in the clinical research regulations class. For our final week, we'll be talking about scientific misconduct. And some of you are already familiar with this topic, but it is something that everyone needs to be aware of. Anyone that works in clinical research needs to be aware of this particular topic because it affects everybody. It affects the prestige of institutions. It affects the careers of researchers and scientists and doctors. It also affects the patients that those people are trying to help. So we all need to be aware of what's going on in that. And this week we're going to be discussing that in a little more detail. There won't be a discussion board this week, but instead, by the time you get this, you hopefully will have turned in your project 2, and then you'll be working on your final exam and have that be ready to turned in this week. Your learning objectives for the week will be to define 3 types of scientific misconduct. Those 3 types are fabrication, falsification, and plagiarism. We'll get into this in some of the readings that you'll have. Some of you are already familiar with these from your past experience, and certainly some of you that were in the Introduction to Data Management class received some of this information as well. So at any rate, please be aware that's your first learning objective, and then your second learning objective will be to discuss efforts to prevent scientific misconduct. So that's everybody's responsibility, and we all have to be aware of that and understand things that we can do to prevent it. Your readings for the week include the article Scientific Misconduct, which is on page 385 in your textbook. It's going to go into some detail about what scientific misconduct is, how it's defined, why it's so critical that we understand it and be aware of it. Also, you're going to be reading the article Preventing Scientific Misconduct that's on page 399. There are going to be some efforts discussed in there about how you can prevent scientific misconduct and what you can do if you suspect it. There's no discussion board assignment for this week, so please go ahead and complete the readings that you have on scientific misconduct. If you haven't already turned in Project 2, please get that turned in as soon as you can, and then your final exam is already out there, so you've seen that. That'll be due later this week, so please get those turned in as soon as you're able to so that I can get those graded and get those grades posted before the end of the class at the end of this week. So I've enjoyed having everyone in the class. I think everyone's done a great job so far. I want you to continue doing that. Let me know if there are things that I can help you with. Please reach out to me. You can send me a connection request on LinkedIn if you like, or if you just want to send me an email, that'd be fine too. Be happy to help you in any way that I can. So good luck to all of you, and I'll see you later.